how to make money with NFT in 2022. In this video, we will talk about the 7 ways to make money with NFT. If you are among those, this beginner guide from Apply Why is all of you need to know how to make money with NFTs easily and quickly. The number one is create and sell NFTs. The direct and effective method of making money with NFT is to create and sell them. You can create and sell anything digital such as arts, images, videos, memes, properties. If you have a note to creativity, you can monetize all your creations by selling them as NFT. You can create and sell your NFT collection using platforms like Apple, like Appify, and make money with your digital assets. You can even list your NFTs on other marketplaces such as OpenSea for a small fee and increase your income. So let those creative, amazing NFT or turn your existing digital creations in NFT using the NFT generation from Apply and sell them for the price you want. The number 2 is trade NFT. The number 3 is rent out NFTs. One of the best ways to earn money through NFTs is to rent them. Renting NFT can be a good source of passive income. The interesting thing is that you can use the NFT for the long term without having to create new ones. Next is number 4, NFT gaming. The NFT based video games are also one of the known methods of making money through NFTs. There are games that allow you to purchase in-game items as NFT and trade them, helping you earn money out of it. Another reason why in-game NFT will grow in the future is that they are far more advanced compared to simple digital trading cards. The number 5 is NFT royalties. Setting up a royalty on your NFT is a great way to ensure consistent flow of income. By NFT royalties, you can earn money whenever your NFT change hands on the secondary market, meaning you will be continuously get some income even after selling your creation to collections. Number 6 is license collectibilities. Turn physical collectibles into the NFT, sell them and start making money in no time. You can securely store your physical collectibilities in form of digital assets. Number 7 is stake NFTs. Staking NFT is yet another proven way to earning money through NFTs. Staking NFT means depositing or locking away digital assets into a DeFi protocol smart contract to generate to a. In simple terms, staking is the process of storing digital works in the form of stake and assigning them to those willing to maintain their upkeep while providing you a share of reward by your NFT. So the future of NFT is still unknown, but one thing is sure, that it is just another quickly passive crypto trend. NFT is here to stay and the potential to become mainstream. Now that you know how to make money with NFT and it is future, and it is time to get started using Appify. So you can create your account in this Appify. If you want to create your account in this, you have to click at sign up and you have to write your email, and then you can create a account in this Appify. So here we will see how you can create this account in this website. You have to write first your email. After that, you have to type your password here. So guys, like this you can create your account in this website, and you can know all about this